Cowabunga blessings. Welcome to this meditation practice designed to bring you back into your body, connected to your center, so you may find that still space within. Begin by sitting in an upright, comfortable posture or laying down, whichever is most supportive to you. And once you're comfortable, closing your eyes and bringing your energy back into you. As you arrive into this space, let us direct your intentions for this time right now. To breathe these breaths with awareness, with kindness, and with love for yourself, for this life you've been given, and for this moment now. As you breathe in, feeling life feeding you this energy. And then exhale a gentle sigh, giving it back to life. Continue to breathe in, focusing your energy inwards upon yourself, bringing this love into your body with every inhale and exhale, releasing any feelings of anxiety. Breathing this love into your body, allowing yourselves to absorb this breath, and exhaling, gently releasing any anxious energy. Breathing in again and continuing to breathe as I guide you, feeling your body starting at the bottom of your feet. Inhaling, feeling your feet, even wiggling your toes, bringing energy down there to ground your body. And exhaling slowly and gently. Breathing in, feeling your feet, asking your feet to relax, asking them to ground you into your body now. And exhaling fully. Breathing in, thanking your feet, thanking them for bringing you here to this moment now. As you feel your feet, allow for that energy to begin spiraling down through the floor, guiding that energy down into the earth. Imagining a root system growing from your feet, deep, deep down into the heart of the earth. And as you feel those roots digging down and grounding in, feel your body begin to be pulled downwards, allowing yourself to arrive into this space. Let us take a few gentle, deep, slow breaths now, breathing in through the nose, pulling the energy up from the earth into your body, and exhaling through your mouth, slowly with control. Breathing in nice and slow. As you breathe slowly, you calm your nervous system down, exhaling just as slowly, softening your body. Breathing in again, fully and completely, allowing for this breath to fill your lungs, and slowly with control, exhaling all the way, releasing any worry. Breathing in, feeling yourself, allowing yourself to be fully supported by this breath now. Exhaling all the way, emptying any and all worry. Breathing into your body and noticing any areas or spaces that are tense. Inviting that area to relax and fully exhaling with control all the way. Breathing in, feeling your body receive this breath, calming the nervous system down, unwinding from your stress and exhaling all the way through your mouth. Breathing in through your nose, feeling your body rooted in this perfect moment now. And exhaling any and all stress that you've been holding on to. Breathing in now, focusing on the area in your stomach where you're holding any tension or anxiety. And as you exhale, allow for those stomach muscles to soften. Breathing in, imagining a golden ball of white light in the center of your stomach. Feeling your stomach soften and exhaling all the way with control. Breathing into that ball of light, feeding it, allowing for that warmth to spread outwards from the center of your stomach. And exhale, softening your hips, softening your legs, softening everything. Breathing in, feeling yourself supported in this moment by this breath. And slowly exhale any heavy residue in your body. Breathing in, feeling that light expanding inside of your stomach, spreading to any and all areas that you've been holding on to stress or tension. Feel that space unwind and let go as you exhale. Breathing in, feeling grateful for this breath as it calms the nervous system down, guiding you back to your center. And exhale slowly and completely. Breathing in again, focusing on expanding that light and warmth through your body. And softening those stomach muscles as you exhale all the way through your mouth. Breathing in, affirming to yourself, I am supported, I am safe. Feeling that sink in and exhale all the way. Letting go of any fear. Breathing in fully, receiving this breath in this moment. Exhaling all the way, cleansing your thoughts. Breathing in, feeling that light grow up your spine and into the center of your head. And exhale all the way, softening even more, relaxing the shoulders, melting the tension. Breathing in, feeling the light feeding upwards from the earth, from your stomach and into your mind. And exhale slowly, softening your arms, your shoulders, your stomach, and your legs. Breathing that peaceful energy up from the earth, filling your mind, beginning to cleanse your mind and consciousness. Slowly exhaling, feeling all the tension melting away as you soften. Breathing that light into your body, feeding your cells, and just becoming aware of any thoughts that you're thinking. Exhale, softening, inviting your body to relax. Breathing in, noticing any negative thoughts that might flow through your consciousness. And just say thank you to each of them. Thank you for showing me this. And exhaling, letting them go. Breathing in, taking note of the thoughts. Saying thank you. And exhaling, letting them go. Letting them pass through. Breathing in, noticing how you are not these thoughts. You are not these beliefs. Exhaling, disassociating, letting them pass through. Breathing that light in, feeling your mind cleansing. With each thought you let pass through on the exhale. Breathing in, asking yourself, what is it I'm wanting to feel or think now? Exhaling, let go of the old. Breathing in a positive affirmation. I am safe. I am supported. Exhaling, letting everything go that is not that. Breathing that light, allowing it to grow, feeling yourself. I am the light. I hold the light. Exhaling, releasing any fear, any tension. Breathing in, feeling the light expanding, feeling your mind coming back to center, to clarity. Exhaling all the way, softening your body, relaxing into you. Breathing in, again affirming what you're choosing to experience in this moment. And exhaling, releasing any and all things that are not that. Continue to breathe deeply and take these moments to affirm your new state of being that you're choosing to embody. And even though worrisome thoughts may surface, know that these are not you. They're not who you are. And so exhale them away and breathe in what you're choosing to affirm in this moment for your state of being. I am abundant. I am clear. I am powerful. I love myself. Life supports me. Breathe and affirm what it is you choose now. Coming back to deepening your breaths now, feeling the life force supporting you now, and exhaling any further tension in your body, allowing it all to dissolve. Breathing in again, giving thanks for this breath, for this moment, for this practice of coming back to you. Exhaling. Breathing in, feeling the power that is in your presence, knowing that you can come back to this anytime. And the more you practice this conscious awareness, this returning to center, the less you'll be affected by those outside sources, those feelings of overwhelm. If you need to replay this audio, do so as often as what's needed. Just ensure you keep coming back to this awareness of who you truly are. Continue to love yourself through every moment, through any challenges. Feed yourself this breath. Celebrate this moment with gratitude, thanking the life that is breathing with you. Thank you for practicing. Cowabunga. Namaste.